Bootcamp Week 2, presented by Ms. Villasenor. Lesson 1 of 4, we're going to concentrate on the VCV cutting pattern, which is a vowel, consonant, vowel. You should have, remember you're taking notes during this lesson, and we will start with that number 5, the 5 cutting patterns. And if you recall, in the last lessons that we've done the vowel, consonant vowel pattern. So we're going to add a new one to our number 5. In this case, we'll go ahead and do this word together. And we underline the talking vowels, vowel and the vowel there. We numbered how many vowels, and we did the swoop. Okay, and then the consonant there. And then it's not a vowel, consonant, vowel. As you can see, it's a vowel, consonant, vowel, and we'll get back to that, how that's going to be cut. So go ahead and add the second cutting pattern to the vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. As you can see, we usually divide before the consonant, so you have the V/CV. Okay, going back to the guided practice, now that we know where does it get cut. So when we have the vowel, consonant, vowel, we will cut it right after the vowel, before the consonant. Okay, and we're also going to add the number 7, the syllable types now, to an open vowel, which is a long vowel sound. So our second syllable type is the open syllable. As you can see, the I, the long I card, and the long A card, and the spelling patterns when you have a long I and a long A. An open syllable ends with a single vowel. Okay, you're only going to hear one vowel sound for that syllable, and it's good. And the vowel will say its long name. So, for example, if you have a long A, what's the long A sound? It'd be the A. So it's just like saying its long name. So we have examples here of the closed and open syllables. So in quest, that is the closed syllable because you have the short E, and it's identifying there the short E sound. And then in we, it's the open with the long E. And then in knob, you have the short, so that's closed because you have the short O sound. And then you have the short I sound, and then I would be the long I, and then go, it's a long one. So those would be open. The ones on the left are the closed syllable because they have the short vowel sound. And as you can see on the other side here, the we, go, and the I are the open syllables that have the long vowel sound. Okay, going back to this word here that we are cutting up. So we have for the first syllable, we have, as you can see, the sign is a long I, and on the second talking syllable is a short vowel sound. Okay, short E sound. So if we sound it out, the DI would be die, and then on the second syllable, gest. So we blend it together, digest. Okay, and then we see the J card there for the J sound on gest. And we have the same word here, one with that's a noun and one that's an action verb. And so for the first one, digest, which could be, so the science digest had articles, and that is a noun, on how the body can digest different foods. So that would be the action verb, said differently. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and do the cutting patterns for these independent practice. And when you are ready, you can continue the video and check your answers. Okay, here are the answers. These are the correct cutting patterns and the symbols for them. So if you missed any, go ahead and make your corrections. And on the N word, that would be the nomad, that is pronounced nomad, and on the second one it would be resemble. Okay, so we have again the 7-syllable type. So we've gone through the close before. Today the new one is the open syllable, which is um, the long vowel. And on here, we have the ostrich card, which is the short O sound, and we have the ocean card, which is the long O sound. Okay, so when you have a short O, you only have the O spelled. When you have a long O, you could spell it just like the ones below that O with the ocean card. So it could be O consonant E, could be an OA, an OW, consonant OE can make the long O sound. And that is it for today. Thank you. If you have any questions, go see your teacher for some coaching.